What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Solana. As you guys can clearly see, it has pumped up 13% in the last 24 hours and it's currently trading at just about $23. So we're going to be looking at how high can this crypto go. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash back down? So essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go, or even how low can it go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? And also, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we do have Solana as one of the top gainers. So in the last hour itself, we can see that it has pumped up just about 0.1%, nothing too major. Over the last day, 13%, and most of the pump did come from earlier this morning. Over the week, 17%, and over the month, 16%. So yes, it has been quite volatile up and down, but overall it has managed to stay on the green side. So yes, an overall increase in value has taken place over the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up nearly 250%, making it $551 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase, and it's likely to go up even higher over the coming hours as more and more people are likely to trade the crypto. As the value keeps pumping, we are likely to see more buyers, more sellers, and in general, just a lot more people trading it, which is going to have an impact on the trading volume. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Solana, which is here in purple at $19.86. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at $23, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking too steep, guys, so this is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. Again, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping over the next 12 to 14 hours. Yes, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the coming hours, potentially hitting just above $24 over the next couple of hours before it starts to drop back down to around $21 is what I'm expecting it to be trading at towards the end of the day today. So yes, I do expect it to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, so potentially dropping down to around the $21 mark is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, exact same, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again, this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting Solana to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Potentially between $21 and $22 is where I'm expecting Solana to be trading at by the end of next week. But again, that does not mean it's going to be consistently staying at this price range. Do expect red and green days up and down, quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side, trading between $21 and $22 is what I'm expecting. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We got the blue and the orange now looking quite bullish, once again looking positive, but they are not looking as steep as the previous two charts, meaning it's much more realistic, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say mid to late November 2023, I'm expecting Solana to have gone for an overall increase in value, and at this point we should be heading towards the $30 mark is what I'm expecting towards the end of the year. But again, I'm not saying it's going to hit the $30 mark, but heading very close to that target is what I'm expecting from Solana towards the end of the year. And I am also expecting Bitcoin to be trading over $30,000 by the end of the year as well. As you guys can see, we have been moving towards the positive side over the last week or so, from dropping down to 26,000, now trading at $27,000 is a good increase, but again, not as much as we want it to be. So more increases should be happening over the next couple of weeks. That it also includes Solana. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we are quite far off from hitting the resistance target, which is $67 to head into the green zone, which I'm not expecting Solana to hit anytime soon. So potentially Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting us to head towards the resistance target here, of course depending on how the crypto market performs, but at the moment this is my take on Solana. And again, as mentioned in the thumbnail, when is it likely to hit the $50 mark? Potentially, guys, between Q1 and Q2 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Solana to be hitting the $50 mark. So yes, not this year, guys. We are too far off to hit the $50 mark. Don't get me wrong, there might be a couple of days where it's likely to take a major pump in value, hit the $50 mark, and then drop back down in value. Yes, that is possible this year. But what I'm saying is for it to hit $50 and steadily stay at that price range and go above and beyond that target, which again I'm not expecting it to happen this year. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Solana, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys expect Solana to hit in 2023. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.